Very simple, very interesting functions, year and today. Let's see that how we can do it. So I am into the customers table already, and if you remember, we created a column in Power Query earlier in the name of birth year, but then we deleted the same from here. So we have already checked that okay, it has added a new step in Power Query, right? So ultimately we don't have any birth year column. Now we'll be creating the same using the dex function. For this I'm going to create a new column in the customers table, and right, and I will say birth year is equals to year. That's an year function, and I'll just simply open it up, and I would say birth date, right? So the moment I'll search for the birth, I will be getting the birth date because I am already into the customers table. So it will show me the list of all the columns which are there into this, starting with BIR and so on. So birth date, I'll select it by pressing tab key. I will simply close down the bracket here and enter. I'll end up having an entire column for birth year, right? So it's coming over here. There we go. We've got it, the birth year column. And now I need to calculate the age of the customer. So I'll simply say I'll add another column. This time I'm right clicking on the customers table to add the new column. And I would say age. What is age? If you'll see, it's birth year. Sorry, first actually I need to put in the year from today's date, right? So I'll say year year out of today. So I'm going to use today function here. What today will do? Today will give us today's date. So if you see my system date, it will give today's system date, and out of that date, year function will take out year. So ultimately, if I'll just close it right away and press enter, I'll show you it is giving me the current year. So it will come 2020. If you see, there we go, it is coming 2020. So first of all, this is the year, but now I'll simply subtract the birth year out of it, right? Birth year. So there I am going to get the age of the customer. I could have also done it without creating the birth year column, just putting that year out of birth date. Could have done it also, but still I'm just going slightly slow right now so that you will understand it in a very comfortable manner. So that is why I've created this supportive column. So this is how I've got the age of the customer. Now this is very relevant because later on basis of this we'll be able to calculate that which age group customer is buying what kind of product. So that way it is going to be very useful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.